is adorable.
Oh, look at his little
Zoom in with your
nose.
So we see the face.
Oh, did he just open his eyes? His eyes are open.
Yeah.
Oh, now he's moving. I
there's
feel
his
him in
little
there.
nose in his mouth.
He
got
just
the
swallowed.
hiccups.
He does. Yeah, I just felt him. He does have the hiccups. Oh, that's so neat.
Are you recording?
I am. Oh, look at his hand. He's saying hi. He's saying hi.
He's just tired of you spying on him.
He's like, get the camera out of my face. Do you see his arm? He's pushing. I feel that, you little turd. That is too adorable. I feel the hiccups. It's so cute. Would you get your hand out of your face for me? That'd be
There
great.
you go. You got a good picture right there of his face.
Oh,
Hiccups. Wow. Never seen a tree that are in hiccups.
I feel
You
him.
have it?
His eyes are open. His eyes are open. So cute.
Recently, they get blood transfusions in your uterine.
Crazy.
They can?
Yeah. Granted, babies don't take a lot of blood to transfuse, but you go up there with a certain needle.
Oh, look, that's head on.